To learn the G scale, let's quickly review the major scale formula. So to recall, it's whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, in terms of whole steps and half steps. So let's find G, our starting G. So a whole step up from G would be A, and then we need another whole step up, so B, then half step, so C, the very next key. Then we need a whole step, D, another whole step, E, then we need another whole step. So we need to reach up, because remember, a whole step always skips one key in between. So E does not go to F, that would be a half step. E will go to F sharp, and then we finish with a half step. So that would be F sharp to G. Again, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. And those keys again, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Now hands together with our correct fingering for a 1-octave G major scale. When I get to the third fingers, right hand pivots under to my thumb. Now left hand runs out of fingers, so I cross over with finger 3, realign, and complete. Walking back down. On the way down, left hand crosses under the third finger, realigns. Right hand has run out, so I cross over with finger 3, realign. Once more. At home, practice slowly and with a steady, even tempo, but then you can go faster and play it with a quicker speed.